So I'm out here in the front in my renovation. I got a lot of weeds. I don't know if it's time to panic. Woody, is it time to panic?
This is the perfect time to panic.
No. I feel like I'm out here like Jim Carrey from Ace Ventura When Nature Calls, and the dude is just throwing spears into my legs. But in all seriousness though, this is not my first foray into renovating my front yard with Kentucky bluegrass. And I know a lot of you right now are going to be through the seeding portion of your renovation, and you're watering it and you're seeing what's happening, and it looks like that. There's bare spots, there's weeds everywhere. I have some grass coming in that is problem and not Kentucky bluegrass, either weeds or some rye that was left or so whatever. A lot of things happening up there that I don't want to be happening. But we're not gonna panic. And we're not gonna panic because unless you spent months prepping the soil, watering it, killing it off, watering it, killing it off, there's going to be weed seeds. There's going to be plants and grass and weeds that didn't quite die all the way, and as you water, they're going to come back. It happened here, and it's going to be fine. And if you don't believe me, I have a section that is 2 weeks into the future because I seeded it 2 weeks sooner. Let's go look at that from 4 days ago and now. So here we are. And you can take a look at where we were. And the only thing that's changed is this is a little further into the future, and it's established enough that I was able to spray weeds off. Guys, weeds in your yard is not a concern. Killing them off is simple, it's easy, it's cheap, it takes very little effort, time, skill, ability. You just have to wait for the grass to establish and go get after it. And since my situation in particular is a Kentucky bluegrass overseed, those bare areas don't scare me either. I've had bare areas all over the place. I've done multiple videos this year talking about how seeding Kentucky bluegrass, it's not gonna come in fully. You're gonna have some bare dirt. It will come in and be just fine. It's towards the end of the year. Just do the best you can. Keep watering it when it needs to be watered. Start mowing it to get it to move sideways. Do all of those things. Next year, when the season kicks off, it'll be established enough to kill those weeds off. You need 3 or 4 mows. If you've mowed it 3 to 4 times, it's probably healthy enough to spray weeds. I probably won't get that this year. I'm gonna probably wait until next year to spray, we'll see. And all will be fine. It's all going to fill in, and it's all going to look like this. And I know that for certain, because this is the same grass seed, managed the same way, renovated in exactly the same way, looked the same way as that does down there. So if that's what your renovation looks like, don't panic, take a deep breath, stay the course, you'll be able to fix it and it will look amazing. Just relax. So hope that's helpful for you. Let me know what sort of problems you're dealing with, and whether or not it was something you were worried about, how you're gonna go about maybe fixing them, all of that great stuff in the comments below. Like the video if it was helpful. Subscribe to the channel if you wanna follow along to everything we're doing here in our lawn. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.